We're at the GW Marriott right now, hanging out with my daughter. She's way too cool for school. We brought all our employees here, and all we're doing is just letting them have a good time. And there's one rule, there's no rule. So you show up, hang out, whatever you want to do, that's it.
SFXAV, they really care about the people. They take us on staycations and we have parties, you know, anything possible to celebrate us and what we do.
Favorite thing about working at SFXAV is all the hot dudes here. It's more of a family than it is a company. They take care of you.
It's just a great company. They're moving forward, they're innovative, they think ahead. I love every single coworker.
We're having a SFXAV staycation. Partying, getting drunk.
Nice.
Oh, they're the best people in the world.
Come over to my house.
Yeah, we hang out all the time, at work, outside of work. It's a big old family.
We have the best employees in the world, and that's why we're here. Like, they work their asses off, and all we want to do is say thank you.